Here are some useful Windows keyboard shortcuts. General shortcuts. Win plus D, show desktop, minimize all windows. Win plus E, open File Explorer. Win plus Tab, open Task View, see all open apps. Alt plus Tab, switch between open apps. Ctrl plus Shift plus ES key. Open Task Manager, Win plus L, lock the computer. Win plus I, open settings. Win plus R, open run dialog. File and folder. Shortcuts, Ctrl plus C, copy. Ctrl plus X, cut. Ctrl plus V, paste. Ctrl plus Z, undo. Ctrl plus Y, redo. Ctrl plus A, select all Win, plus Shift plus S. Take a screenshot, open snipping tool. Alt plus Enter, open file properties. Window management, Win plus, up arrow, maximize window Win, plus down arrow, minimize window Win, plus left or right arrow. Snap window to the left or right. Win plus, Shift plus, left or right arrow. Move window between monitors. Taskbar shortcuts, Win plus, 1 to 9. Open pinned apps, 1 to 9, on the taskbar. Win plus T, cycle through taskbar apps. Win plus, Ctrl plus D. Create a new virtual desktop, Win plus, Ctrl plus, left right arrow. Switch between virtual desktops. Win plus, Ctrl plus F4. Close current virtual desktop. Let me know if you need more specific shortcuts.